it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love.
Hey beauties, thank you for tuning in to another video from Brown Beauty & Co. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, hey girl, hey. Please make sure you are liking our videos and subscribing to our channel to let us know that you like our content and to help us grow. Today we'll be creating this very simple and easy white and pink nail press-on set with hearts and lines. You'll need very minimum products to create this set. You'll need a gel base coat to start off your set with. You'll also need a white and a pink gel polish as well as a nail art brush of your choice. Additional information about all of the products used during this video will be listed below in the description area. This design is very simple and easy to follow. All we'll be doing is switching back and forth between our pink and our white nail polishes to create lines and hearts on each nail, alternating back and forth as you please. After you create those designs to your preference, you'll cure it under your UV lamp as you'll see in this video. Let's get to it. Okay, so here you can see that we are now switching from the lines to creating hearts on the nail. For this strategy, you're just going to create your heart, draw your heart. It's really simple. You just really approach it as if you're drawing a heart on a piece of paper. Create the heart in whatever pattern you desire. Just place it on the nail sparingly, and then you have your design. You're going to keep switching back and forth, like I said, between the pink and the white at your preference. And that's pretty much it for this set. It's very easy and simple, like I said, but it's going to turn out very, very cute. Remember to have fun and be very confident in your ability. Be your creative self with this set. Okay, so now that we have finished creating our design, we are going to use whatever top coat that you have available. You can choose to use a shiny top coat or a matte top coat. As you can see here, I'm using my Mia Secret top coat. That's a shiny top coat. It has a really nice shine to it. You're going to also need a gel cleanser and a lint-free wipe to wipe off any leftover residue after you cure your nails under your UV lamp. Now, if you have a top coat that doesn't require wipe off a non-wipe top coat, then you'll skip this step. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this set, and this is the final look. It looks really, really cute, really classy, a nice, easy set to create. If you are interested in this set and you aren't somebody that creates nails and you just love the way it looks, it is available on our site. We'll list it below in the description area. Again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and you like our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.